I'm about stepping out this morning, and this is exactly what I'm craving for. White yam, some stew, and some vegetables. I know say the entire eye should be, so come and join me. Bless this food, O Lord, and provide for those that don't have. Amen. Amen. Let's eat, okay? You know where I'm going to? I have some clients that are waiting for me to come and take them for inspection, to inspect our new Banana Island. You know about our new Banana Island? I'll tell you. Meanwhile, this food is so delicious. Try it for breakfast. Yummy. Remember that new Banana Island is going for 6 million naira. I've been shouting 6 million naira because very soon the price is going to increase. And new Banana Island is located at off Peter Odili Road. You can always call me on 09034296519 to get your own plot of new Banana Island. If you call me, I'll be taking you for inspection, and after inspection, you will get your property, and in just 2 weeks, your documents will be ready and will be handed over to you. Do you understand that? Yes. So, you don't need to waste time. Are you hearing me now? Real estate is a very good investment. It's actually one of the investments that is very risk-free. Okay? Why? Because you will not lose your money if you do the right thing. What are the right things that you're supposed to do? There are procedures you need to take before you get a good property. All right? One is that you have to be sure that whoever is selling that property to you is first of all a genuine person, either an individual or a real estate company. Okay, and Mercy Homes and Property is one of such companies that are very genuine when it comes to selling lands and properties, so that you don't end up paying money to the wrong person for a property owned by another person. As I was saying, you have to be sure that the land is a dry land, and also that the land is located in an area where there is usually no crisis. Okay, there are so many things you need to consider when you are getting a property, and if you consider all of that and then you get the right property from the right real estate company like Mercy Homes and Properties, you don't have anything to fear. You just call us on 09034296519 to get your plot. Okay, and then as each day, each month and year passes, your property is increasing in value. You can never sell it at the amount that you bought it some years ago. So it's a good investment. Always key into investing in real estate. Don't forget, say now Mama Good News, aka Peco Africa Mama, that brings this good news to you, and I will be always here to give you the best land and properties that will always make good return on investment for you. So right now, I will have to concentrate and finish my food. I'm running late. Would you want me to be late for my appointment? No. There are people already waiting in the office, so I have to go.